National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Lake Borgne, Lake Pontchartrain, and Lake Maurepas, Mississippi Sound, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Rigolets, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all aboard are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Lake Borgne, Rigolets, and Even Isle. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A strong thunderstorm